Hey, my nikicharmz. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is behind the scenes of how I prep for a balloon installation, which I'll take you along to set up with me. Okay, let's get started. First things first is we need our handy dandy air pump and of course our balloons. I will link all the details in the description box below. And for this setup, I'm using very playful colors, which are 11 and 17 inch balloons, plus our 5-inch filler balloons. First one up is light blue. So we blow up the balloons and release some air to create the perfect circle. Then we loop and tie the balloons. I loop maybe twice, just if I want to save the balloons, but it's all on what you choose. And by the way, I'm using 17-inch and 11-inch balloons for the main garland. Then we continue this process until we have 6 or 8 balloons all together to form a cluster. And that's my basic technique to form a garland. So for this color, I only had 11-inch balloons, so I'm blowing them up in various sizes just to create a whole different variety of balloons. Moving on to the pink balloons, which I'm blowing up the same way how I blew up the blue balloons with the 11 and 17-inch balloons. Blow it up and release some air and then tie them together until we have 8 balloons all together. And I'll be repeating the same step for each color of the balloons to form the basic foundation of the garlands. And of course we have to have a dance break. Of course it has to be one out of the bunch.
Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like the putting back at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing?
Moving on to the filler balloons, which I blow up 4 to 6 clusters of balloons all together, and I intertwine them and form a little mini cluster and add it into the garland after. Then I tie my 260 into the cluster so I can easily connect my filler balloons into my garland once I get on site. It don't cost, last, now everybody got your breakfast. So I didn't have 5-inch balloons in the yellow, so I'm creating my own little cluster using the 11-inch balloon. I'll tag the actual tutorial in the description box. I didn't have 5-inch of the pink as well, so I'm repeating the same step as I did for the yellow filler balloons. Once I'm done with all the filler balloons, I pack them away and get them ready for my installation. And my final step for prepping is tying the necks together to create mini garlands, so I can connect them all together once I get on site. And once again, another dance break. And this is how my prepping night normally goes with me vibing out. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to the venue and I'm all loaded and ready to go with the balloons in the back, as you can see. But I'll see y'all when I get there. So I made it on site to this little cute coffee shop in Dallas called Pink Coffee. It was very cute, perfect for a book signing. First thing I had to set up was the pipe and drape stand, and then add my drapes, and then move on to building my garland. And the best thing about prepping beforehand is that when you get on site, you just connect your garland and you're able to just design, especially when you have a limited time to set up. And I'm just using my 260 balloons to connect my garland to the drape stand. And some of the footage was cut off because the party came in and we had to move some things around to set up for the event. So you will see few clips in and few clips out. But I still did my thing and try to show you as much as possible. And this is the final results of the book signing party. I want to say thank you and congratulations to Sade Redmond on her first children's book, which is available for purchase on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, Walmart, and a few other places. Overall, the setup was beautiful and she loved every minute of it, and I'm so happy. Okay, here's a little clip of the author with the kitties. Oh, so sweet. Make sure to go get your copy of Why Do You Talk So Proper? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below and see if you want to see more videos like this. Till next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah. And of course, a dance to another successful event.